and today I'm going to show you how to check the refrigerant on your air conditioner without any tools. So as you can see, we have two units here. We have a mana and a carrier here. And if you notice, as I put my hand above this one, the air is warm. And I'm going to come over to this other unit. I feel the air, and the air is cool. And then if we go and we feel the line down here, now you want to look at the larger of the two lines, the one that usually has the insulation on it. You feel this line, it's cold, and it also has condensation coming out of it, like a cold glass of water. And if you walk over to the other unit, you feel the line, and it's cool, but if you notice, there's no condensation coming off of it. This one's not rejecting as much heat. The air's not as hot as the other one. The line's not as cold. Super simple way for homeowners to diagnose their own air conditioner this summer. Be sure to subscribe for more tips like this.